gentle, warm tone. Imagine the soft flicker of candlelight dancing across the table, casting a warm, golden glow on the faces you love most. The aroma of roasted turkey and sweet pumpkin pie fills the air, wrapping you in a cozy embrace. Do you hear that? It's the sound of laughter, bubbling up and mixing with stories, old and new, weaving a beautiful tapestry of memories right before your eyes. This isn't just about the delicious food. It's about the feeling. It's the warmth from the kitchen, the gentle focus on a shared smile, the unspoken connection that says, "I'm so grateful for you." These moments of love and togetherness are the true feast. They remind us of what truly matters. Let's cherish these simple, precious times. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming content.